Hello my friends. Today I have been mostly putting a different window in the blacksmith shop. I don't know if you remember, it was just this one size. I found another one, cut it down a bit and hopefully give me a bit more light in there. I'm very pleased with it. I wish it would stop raining. I've still got a little bit of rain coming in. Up in there. It just drips, but it's really annoying. Mind you, the rain has been coming down in biblical proportions. That's in the Bible, you know, Noah. Anyway, just thought I'd pop in and let you know what's happening. I'm going in now, 6 o'clock at night I think, dusk. I've just put the hens in their run. They're not shut into their little coop yet, but they're in the run eating. And all is well and quiet. And there's Mia on her sofa, keeping an eye out for the fox. You'll look after yourself, okay? See you soon. Bye. Hi, Bonnie. Did you enjoy your dinner?